Let us walk you through how to fix Xiaomi won't turn on or black screen. This problem can happen if your phone's battery is completely drained, the software has crashed, or there is a minor hardware issue. I'll guide you step by step, including a method to safely warm the battery to help your phone start. Start by making sure your Xiaomi phone is charged, plug it into the original charger and leave it connected for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes the battery is fully drained, the phone needs a little time to start showing signs of life. If your phone still does not turn on, try a forced restart. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. Your phone may vibrate or show the Xiaomi logo if it starts successfully. If the phone remains on a black screen, you can try gently warming the battery. Do not use fire or anything unsafe. You can wrap the phone in a soft cloth and keep it in a warm room or near a safe heat source for a few minutes. This can help the battery regain a little charge and make the phone respond. After warming the battery, try turning on the phone again by pressing and holding the power button. If it starts, allow it to charge fully before using it normally. If none of these steps work, the issue might be a deeper hardware problem and you may need professional help.